YouTube. This is gonna be a video about my best friend, and I don't want to lose her, but she's getting old, and I don't know. She's just skinny, just a bag of bones. She still acts happy as ever. I know she's hurting inside. I know she is. But, but the baby girl Chansey, I'm gonna be okay, girl. She's not eating. You gotta eat. Have you ever had a best friend like this? It's just best friend ever. And she's just gone away. I haven't even took any pictures of her on my new phone or anything. I know, hon. I know. I just told her to listen, but I know she's gotta go. I just don't want her to go like this, just skinny and, and helpless. She's just skinny and just I don't know what to do. I've already picked a place for you on a beautiful hillside with a with a big tree, and you can lay under the sun all you want, Chance. You can lay under it all you want. I don't know. Um, I can't have her cremated. That'd be like burning her. I don't want nobody burning my dog. She's too good for that. No cremation. I don't even like to talk about this kind of stuff in front of her. You know? But she just acts happy as ever. So, she tries. She spends all of her energy trying to make me happy, and I can't do nothing for her. You know? I can't do nothing for her. The vet said that it's a quality of life, not the quantity of life. I know, Chance. I know. She's already accepted it. Oh, I mean, she's always been a real happy dog. She's still wagging her tail. She's still wagging her. See her bone. She's just. I mean, I mean, nothing lives forever, okay? You gotta know that. I've known for a long time that that's how it has to be. I had stuff die in my life all the time. She's dying like my grandma was. My grandma had cancer, and she wouldn't eat, and 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 she wouldn't eat. She starved herself to death. God love her, but Shanty's doing the same thing. The doctor said well, the vet technically, but the doctor said that for a 14-year-old dog, she has great teeth. Well, I mean, that's good and everything. I just don't want her to suffer, you know? I wish she wouldn't. I wish she didn't suffer, you know? She doesn't need that. She's a great dog. She's been a guard dog for, well, how long's it been, Chance? Since I was 2, and I'm 15. It's alright, baby girl. And she knows that. And I know that. I don't even know why I'm making this video. I just want to express the feeling that everybody else has in life. I just don't like to talk about it. Oh, baby girl. I just don't like to talk about it. It's too sad. The reason I'm actually gonna post this video is just cause, you know, I always post videos that have something that's really important to my life, or I like, or I love doing. Chansey's one of those things. She's just one of my favorite dogs. She's always been there. She saved my life a couple of times even. Maybe not the way you'd think she would, but she really has. She really has, guys. Well, I mean, but for the rest of your days, I mean, you can lay in your old doghouse and eat that nice food we've been buying you. She's getting to where she won't even eat canned food. Well, I sure am gonna miss you, but I know you'll wait for me, girl. I was gonna try not to cry during this video, but how can you not? You know, how can you not, Chance? She's already accepted it. It's kind of hard for me to accept it, but I know, yeah, I mean, I know she's down, and she knows I'm down, sitting over here trying to comfort me. Well, it's working, Chance. It's working, girl. But you're gonna enjoy the rest of your time here. If I have to spoon feed you. Chance, gonna make you a nice wooden box. Somehow I'm gonna have them burn you. And I'm gonna be there by your side when they get you put down. I don't like to talk about this kind of stuff in front of you, but you need to know. I'm thinking tomorrow I'm gonna show her. I'm gonna show her where I'm gonna lay her to rest. It's right behind my grandma's house. Every time I let her loose, she would go there and hang out with Buddy, her best friend. He's right there behind the house. You can't see him. Yeah, he's right there. But, yeah, I know, girl. I know. But I'm gonna bury her right behind my grandma's house, where she'd always go and play with the dogs and chase cows and run through the field and It's beautiful over there. It's beautiful. So are you, Chansey. All life is beautiful. And this is all the experiences I've had over the years taught me to appreciate life more and not expect everything to live forever, you know? Well, I love you, baby girl. I do. I really do. I really do, Chance. But, well, I reckon that'll be it for today. I love you, Chance. I really love you. You have no idea. Well, you probably do, actually. But, I'm gonna let you guys go. Goodbye.